Hello, it's your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I'll get down and get straight to the point. 2017 Kia Optima. Customers are wondering how to get the alternator off. It's extremely simple on this particular vehicle. All you have to do is go to this bolt right here, loosen that up. You have to loosen that up, and you have to loosen the one that's on the very bottom of the alternator. The reason being is because you have a tensioner. This alternator has to be able to move. If you have that tighten up and that one tighten up, it can't move. You'll break this. So just loosen it up. Don't take it off, just loosen it. Loosen the one on the bottom, and then righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So if you start going like this, it's gonna pull itself this way. So it'll start tightening up the belt. If you wanna get the belt off, you just go the opposite direction and it'll just come, it'll start moving and the belt will come right off. It doesn't have a regular tensioner up there. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you find any benefit to this video, hit that super thanks. And what we do is we take the money that you donate to us and we put it into a fund and help those who are unfortunate who can't afford all their repairs, like single moms and people going through catastrophes. We try to give back what we give. Thank you.